In Baler, a small coastal town in the Philippines, a war ended, but the soldiers didn't know. In 1898, when Filipino revolutionaries were fighting for independence from Spain, 54 Spanish soldiers took refuge and barricaded themselves inside the Church of Baler, surrounded by Filipino forces. They were under siege. Spain had already lost the war, but the soldiers refused to believe it, thinking it was enemy deception. For 337 days, they endured hunger, disease, and constant attacks. When proof finally arrived, they realized the war was long over. Out of the 54 soldiers, only 33 survived. Instead of capturing them, the Filipino forces saluted them and honored them as friends, not enemies. The Spanish soldiers are remembered as Los Últimos de Filipinas, meaning our last men in the Philippines.